Hi, I'm Hannah from Socialhead. We have over 4 years experience in scaling up online businesses with our e-commerce solution. One of our greatest apps, Socialshop, is a tool that helps you sync and optimize your product across shopping channels in few clicks. So if you want tips and tricks to optimize your shop for best conversion, check out this video now. Okay, so first, to access Socialhead's apps, you need to create a Socialhead account. It's really easy, I'll show you how. So go to app.socialhead.io, click in create a free account right here. Then type in your name, your email, your password, and press create. Or you can use your Google or Facebook instead, it's up to you. So after signing up, this page will show up. Click install at the Socialshop tab, and that's it. It's pretty fast, huh? Now when you already have your Socialhead accounts, you need to connect your stores with the app to use it. And you see here that we're supporting both Shopify and WooCommerce platforms. Later, we'll have a lot more, but now I'll show you how to onboard to these platforms first. So now we'll link the Socialhead accounts with your Shopify. So take your Shopify store URL and paste into this box. Press connect. So it will lead you to the Shopify admin page. Click install app to download. Then go back to the app and set up to your store settings, which I'll show you how to optimize these better in the next video. Finish and you're done. So it's quite similar to Shopify onboarding, but you choose the WooCommerce tab instead of Shopify. So take your WooCommerce store URL and paste into the box. Press connect. So a code will show up. Leave it there and we'll come back to this later. Next, go to your WooCommerce admin page. Choose plugin on your left menu bar. Right here, click add new and look for Socialhead in the search bar. Press install now to download the plugin. Wait for it, then click activate. After that, a Socialshop tab will show up in the menu bar. Click in and you'll see this integration setup box. So this is where you paste the previous code ID in. As you see, the connection status is now deactivated, so all you have to do is go back to Socialhead page, then copy the code, and back to WooCommerce admin, and paste the code into this box. Click active. When you get this verify successfully mark and activate the status on, you are done with the setup. Now you can go back to the app and optimize setting and start using it. So if you want to learn more about optimizing feeds for best conversion on Google Shopping, on Facebook Shop, or Instagram Shop, like and subscribe to our channel. Any question? Leave us a comment below and have fun growing sales.